I'll just reference the workout. So
Sure.
if you want to look it up, it's the workout that Arthur Jones gave to Casey Viator, June 10th, 1971. So if you just Google June 10, 1971, Casey Viator workout, this is an article that's written by Ellington Darden. And Dr. Darden, he was witnessing this workout, and I want to talk to him in person about this one day. And since he's a friend,
Besties.
I hope I get an opportunity, right? Besties. But this workout made a big impression on me. It is my all-time favorite workout to read about and study and really look into. It shaped my business. Now, I am not in any way trying to duplicate or deliver this workout with a client, but there's information there that's valuable. I'm only going to give you one bit of information that's valuable. So this was a 15 exercise workout, including a 750-pound leg press and a 500-pound barbell squat. I won't tell you about the rest of the sets, but they were comparable. But in this 15-set workout, it was completed in under 30 minutes. That told me something about business. That created the two words that meant the most to me, which were time efficient. And that is my product. I want to address the client's needs in a time efficient manner. If I save them time and accomplish the same amount of work or results that they want elsewhere, I'm going to sell more. So that's the ultimate message, was time efficient. That's what I got out of this. And just how impressive the routine was. But I think I'll give you the exact total. The workout took 28 minutes and 40 seconds. That was important information for me.
When you learned that, was that the moment where you were like, did that predate you delivering high intensity strength training workouts?
It did. I read about this.
Well, obviously it did predate. That's a stupid question. But what I mean is, was it like, I'm just visualizing, like you read that in a magazine or whatever, and then you were like, light bulb, like, let's go do this. Was it like that? Kind of?
It was definitely one of the light bulb moments. And interestingly enough, all of my light bulb moments came from Ellington Darden. Because
you would say that because he watches these sometimes, doesn't he?
Okay, I you know what? How privileged your weight. But
I have no idea if he does, by the way.
But he's definitely a hero. He's a direct descendant of Arthur Jones. He's the one that's written the most about any of Arthur's work. But yeah, all my light bulb moments came from Ellington. He wrote about this workout, and the time efficient thing came up, and like, oh, this doesn't have to be done in an hour. We can get this done in minimal time and book more sessions. Okay, that's great. And then, another light bulb moment for me was when he wrote about negative only work. That was huge. And the customer service aspect. So yeah, all of my success directly relates to Arthur Jones. It all goes back to, Ellington Darden. It all goes back to Ellington.
Yeah.